day 3 of the experiment to record a book marketing tip every day in January using video and posting it so that you have something actionable you can try yourself if you are an author publisher. Today, I wanted to share with you one of the tools I use, and I use it nearly daily, and I use it with my clients. I use it with other folks that I am sharing information with and who are sharing information with me, and it is Google Docs. Google Docs is a collaboration tool that will allow you to create files, upload files, share files selectively. If you're familiar with Dropbox, Google Docs is a similar idea where it's fabulous for you to be able to have access to information no matter where you are, no matter what device you're working on. In fact, I use Google Docs on my computer, on my iPhone, my iPad, and on my laptop. And I can get there from anywhere. I don't have to be tied to a particular device to get to those files. Now, where I live in Northern California, in Sonoma County, we all went through a very traumatizing time during October during the fires, and they're still going through a lot of that down in Southern California, and it's happened other places in the world as well. It made me realize that I want to be sure I have not only a backup, but that I have my important files somewhere in the cloud, so should something happen and I have to get out of Dodge really fast, I'll still be able to work and support my clients. Let me show you a little bit about Google Docs. I have a lot of files already in here, and what you're seeing right here on the screen, those are some of the things I've been working on right away. But also, if you're familiar with Microsoft Word, Google Docs is very similar. And in fact, you can upload your files from Microsoft Word and put them into Google Docs. And you can either choose to keep it as a Microsoft Word file and just look at it, or you can convert it if you wanted to collaborate. So that's pretty awesome. Now, not only do we have Google Docs, we've got spreadsheets. And I have spreadsheets for my clients. Here's one in particular that I'm working on. I am working on changing over some of the icons that are going to go on the web, that are going to go into a shop page. And so my client and I and her webmaster can all look at this together. So it's a collaboration tool. It is so awesome. Spreadsheets, we have docs, and you can also bring slides in here. I'm not a real fan of that. That's not my favorite thing. But what is super cool, Drive works just like a folder on your computer, whether you are on a Mac, whether you're on a PC. It takes away that, oh, I'm on this platform, you're on that platform. Everybody can get in here. If you have access to a computer, you have access to the internet, you can look at Google Docs, the files in Google Drive, and you don't even have to do it using Chrome. You can use Safari or whatever web browser you want. Plus, you can install Google Drive on your computer so that it shows up just like a folder. And here is my folder. So let's just take a look right here. These are all files I have in Google Drive. So that's my tip. As an author publisher, you can't do this all by yourself. So why not make it easy to collaborate? You can put things in to Google Drive. You can upload, you can download, you can share, you can choose who you share with, and it's free. If you are familiar with Gmail, if you're familiar with Microsoft Word, if you've ever used Dropbox, I strongly suggest that now is the time for you to look at getting Google Drive and start sharing and collaborating. Now, I did one other thing I want to tell you about. I upgraded Camtasia, and as it turns out, I had to record this a second time because my first time didn't work. That's normal. It usually takes me more than one take to get these videos recorded. Trying to do something at the end of the day was not my smartest move, and I'll have to get familiar with some of the new tips and tricks that are inside of that piece of software. What I will tell you is it's pretty easy to use, and it's pretty great because they have great tutorials, and it works on the Mac, works on the PC. Judy Baker, Book Marketing Mentor, helping you plan, engage, launch, and sell books. Visit our website at bookmarketingmentor.com, and I'll be back tomorrow with another tip you can use so that you can be more successful in selling your books.